In this video, we'll explore the best pruning shears on the market, helping you find the perfect tool for effortless cutting. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, these top picks will make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. Let's kick things off with the FELCO F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. Hands down, one of the best pruners I've used. It's got the perfect blend of durability and precision, thanks to its high-quality hardened steel blades. I took it out for some serious pruning, and it was like cutting through butter. It made quick work of branches, with the Anvil blade design handling everything smoothly, even thicker stems. The aluminum alloy handles are super lightweight, which means I could work for hours without feeling any strain. The pruner's wire cutting notch was a game changer too, versatile for all sorts of materials. If you need a tool that just keeps going, this one's got a lifetime guarantee and all parts are replaceable. At just $63, this pruner is not only affordable but offers premium performance that will keep you coming back for more. Perfect for anyone who needs a reliable tool for everyday gardening. If you're in the market for a reliable, affordable snip, check out the Corona AG4930. This tool features a long, straight, pointed blade, making it ideal for precise cuts in tight spaces or for tasks that require accuracy. The heat-treated steel blades deliver excellent strength, ensuring they can handle a variety of cutting jobs without dulling easily. Weighing in at just 3.2 ounces, it's light enough for extended use without causing hand fatigue, yet still robust enough for tough jobs. The rust-resistant coating on the blades, spring, and handle ensures longevity even with frequent use in damp environments. For added convenience, the unobtrusive leather strap lock keeps the snip secure when not in use. Priced at just $11.08, it's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality or performance. This snip is perfect for both casual gardeners and those with more intensive cutting needs. Now let's talk about the BAHCO ERGO Bypass Pruner PX-M2. This pruner stands out for its ergonomic design, offering a natural wrist position to reduce strain during use. With high carbon steel blades, you can expect sharp, clean cuts on branches up to 3/4 inch thick. The Xylan coating on the blades ensures reduced friction for smoother performance, while the fiberglass reinforced plastic handles are lightweight yet durable. The medium-sized handles with a soft grip cover offer added comfort, making this pruner ideal for medium-sized hands. Whether you're tackling professional garden tasks or light home pruning, this tool provides efficiency and ease. At $45.03, it's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality. Plus, its angled head design helps reduce wrist and arm strain, making long pruning sessions a lot more comfortable. For those of you looking for a reliable cordless pruner, the DEWALT 20-volt max cordless pruner is a great option that combines power and convenience. It has a 1.5-inch cutting capacity, making it perfect for cutting through thick stems, branches, and overgrown bushes. One of its best features is the 1,100 cuts per charge, so you don't have to worry about running out of power during long sessions. The non-stick coated blades make cuts smooth and quick, reducing friction for faster work. If you need to change the blades, the quick blade change tool makes the process a breeze. The LED work light is super helpful when you're working in dim conditions, and the lightweight design ensures minimal hand strain for comfortable use. At around 5.33 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and perfect for anyone, whether you're a pro or a DIY gardener. Next up, for those of you looking for a top-notch pruning solution, I have to recommend the FISKARS 6689 Ratchet Hand Pruner. This pruner really shines when it comes to cutting tough stems and branches up to 3/4 inch thick. The ratchet mechanism is a standout feature as it automatically amplifies force with each squeeze, making it so much easier to cut through hard wood with minimal effort. Plus, it has a fully hardened, precision ground steel blade that stays sharp, even after plenty of use. Another thing I really like is the low friction coating on the blade. It helps it glide smoothly through wood, while also preventing sap from gumming it up. While it's generally lightweight and easy to use, the locking mechanism can be a little tricky to engage at times. Still, with a price point of about $24, it's a solid choice for those on a budget but still wanting quality.